Hello everyone, welcome to another video with the Inspire Academy Online. And in this video, we will be talking about definite articles and when to use definite articles and when to use no articles at all. That is, when to use neither indefinite or indefinite articles. So in the last video, we talked about the use of indefinite articles, and to get started with, for definite articles, there's only one definite article in English, that is the. So the is used in front of all nouns to describe something specific. So like for example, she is on the phone. So here you use the because they're talking about a specific device that belongs to a specific person. Or it is also used in certain expressions related to physical things, like for example, the weather or the sea. For example, if you were to describe the weather, you would say the weather today is really gloomy. So that is it for definite articles. The only thing you should keep in mind is that definite articles are used for all nouns to describe something that is specific. They are not used for things that are not specific. In those cases, you would use an indefinite article. So another important thing that you should know is when to use no article at all. That is, when you cannot use either definite, neither definite nor indefinite articles. So this situation is true for possessive adjectives, for general topics, or in front of countries, except when they include kingdom, state, or land. So to make it clearer with examples, you cannot use articles with possessive adjectives, like for example, she's my friend, or that's my notebook. So in this case, you cannot use definite articles like or the. Like for example, saying she's my friend would be wrong. You do not use an article because it is a possessive adjective. It shows you who something belongs to. So another situation in which you do not use an article is when you're talking about a general topic. Like for example, I love music, or I love painting. So this is for general topics. If you were to make it more specific, you could use definite or indefinite articles with respect to the context of the sentence. And the last case is that you do not use articles in front of countries. Like for example, you do not say I live in the France. You say I live in France. But the exception to this rule is that you have to use an article if the country includes kingdom, state, or land. Like for example, I live in the United States. So the name of this country includes states. So in this case, you use the definite article the. So I live in the United States. So I hope you found this video on definite articles and no articles useful, and do subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss out on new videos, and thank you for watching.